Proposed resolution, Madam Presiding Officer, is a resolution supporting the Boy Scouts of the Philippines, Iloilo Confesor Council, together with the city of Passi, Iloilo, on their intent to host the 18th National Jamboree in the Visayas region on December 11 to 17, 2023. Co-sponsor, I think, Board Member Pistura, and Board Member also. Passi. Whereas one of the most significant scouting activities in the country is the holding of Jamboree. Camping in the woods and in the open spaces has not only promoted the good health of the youth, but also has taught the boys to take care of themselves and to learn certain skills and crafts with their hands. Whereas the Boy Scouts of the Philippines held its annual National Jamboree on a selected or agreed campsite located in selected areas in the Philippines. Whereas pursuant to National Office Memorandum Number 78 Series of 2022, or call for invitation to host the 2023 National Events Activities, a meeting was held as December 5, 2022, between the City of Passi, represented by Honorable Mayor Attorney Stephen A. Palmares, and the Bsp-Iloilo, represented by Council Chairman Honorable Matt Palabrica, confirming to be to host the said activity on December 11 to 17, 2023. Whereas local councils who are interested to host the above-mentioned activity are advised to submit a resolution from the local council executive board in its intent to bid the event, including assurance for local government unit support. Whereas the City of Passi, seeing the opportunity to show hospitality, generosity, and friendliness, is confident that they will be able to comply with the necessary developments, most especially in the provision of all logistical needs and available financial capacity. That's it, Madam President.
I so move, Your Honor.
So moved and second the motion. Honorable Distura Kahilig Espinosa Soliano to pass PAS. Motion is approved. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam Chair.